Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So long time no see. I know you guys are pretty much used to my every other day upload schedule, but as of right now I did start school, and last week I went to school from Monday through Thursday, so I did not have time to film anything at all because I go to school from 9 o'clock in the morning to 6 o'clock at night, and then I don't get home until like 7 o'clock. So yeah, the sun is down and just a hot mess. But yeah, excuse my appearance today. I am so tired right now. My grandparents actually just stepped out, so I do have a little bit of time to fit in a video. So I thought, hey, why not share what I got in my esthetician kit at Aveda Institute. So without no further ado, let's just jump right in to what's in my kit. Okay, so the first thing that I did receive was an iPad. Aveda, their textbook and everything that we do is all in our iPad. So we did get a brand new iPad. We already did all the setup for that. I believe it's like, I don't know what iPad that is, but it's one of like the newer iPads, and I guess it's nice to have an iPad, but I really wish that at my school we had textbook, just because I prefer actual like textbook over an iPad. But at the same time, I am used to using iPads because the high school that I did go to, we did have iPads. The next thing that came in my kit was this Aveda Clipboard. Obviously, for when we work on clients and so forth, they just gave us like this little clipboard, and I just have a few of my things. Okay, so now for the exciting part, my kit. Literally, we got like 4 huge boxes of supplies for the esthetician kit at Aveda Institute, to the point where we literally have to buy luggage to carry around everything back and forth, because my school does require you carry everything in your kit back and forth, and they just recommended that we have a suitcase. So your girl has a full blown suitcase right now, and literally it took me like 3 hours to fit everything in here, and I'm so dumb because I should have filmed this before I fit everything in the suitcase. But it's okay, this is what I get for being unorganized. Anyways, this suitcase weighs like 50,000 pounds. But I'll start off with the first thing that we received in the kit. So the first thing that we received in the kit is this bag. So apparently this bag was supposed to fit all the items that I'm gonna be sharing with you guys, and I don't understand how. None of the girls understood how. So yeah, but I'm pretty sure we're gonna use this on the floor for clinicals, but this cannot fit anything, you guys. Like, I'm gonna try my best to fit my suitcase and show you guys on frame. Like, my suitcase is stuffed. Okay, so I have the suitcase on the ground, and I'm gonna be like reaching down showing you guys the products that are in my kit, and I'm gonna try to go through this really quickly because I have low battery and I didn't even know, and I can't find my charger. So yeah, the first thing that we got was this box of like wax applicator kits, because we are learning full body waxing, which is pretty cool. The next thing that I see is this whole kit for, is this gel? Yeah, this is for learning how to do like gel polish and gel nails, so this is its own kit in one. The next thing that I have is the whole kit for acrylic products. So it comes with like the nails, the color, everything you need. And what I like about Aveda is all the products that we use are organic, so they're not gonna harm your body, your nails, or anything like that. Okay, so I pretty much like separated everything into its own bag, that way it could fit into my suitcase. So I'm just gonna like go ahead and share with you guys what's in it. I did unbox a lot of things just to fit it in here, so that's why they're not in the box. But we did get a timer. I'm not exactly sure what we're gonna use the timer for. It's probably for like facial stuff, I don't know, because your girl hasn't completed the course yet. And then we got this Manicure Finger just to practice like manicures and all that stuff. We got this little like glass container thing that we obviously use for manicures, pedicures, for acrylic So yeah, pretty much this bag that I'm sharing with you guys is all the items that are for nails. So then the next thing that I see in here is this little glass dropper. I don't know what this glass dropper is for, but we have a glass dropper apparently. Then we have these Aveda cards. They're the Art of Science of Pure Flower and Plant Essence. So I'm not exactly sure what this is for, but we have a deck of like cards that say like spiritual stuff on them. The next thing that I do see is a brush for acrylics. Your girl can do nails, so this is going to be interesting when we start doing acrylics. Next, I see this gel brush set with holder, so a bunch of like gel brushes for like gel manicures and stuff. A nail file. And then some like buffing stuff for the nails. Some more nail files. Nothing special. The little clear glass that you put the acrylic liquid, a nail clipper, and some more nail files. So that's what's in my first bag. I'm gonna go ahead and put everything back in it so I don't like cause a big mess. Okay, so the next item that I see is this hand. This hand is obviously for manicures and such, and then it came with this like little stand for it. And then we also got like this bowl thing, which is for manicures as well, to soak the nails. And then we got an aluminum spray bottle. So we got these 3 different dishes that are for face mask and mixing, and it's like this rubbery material which makes it easier for cleaning out face masks that are in the bowls. And then we got this little, I don't know what this is, like metal type of thing. I don't know if this is for face mask or for nails because I took it out of the original boxing, but this is what it looks like. I'm pretty sure it's for nails, but I'm honestly not 110% sure. So the next thing that we got was this manicure set. Yeah, this is for the nails as well. It's a bunch of different like tools and everything that you would use for a pedicure or a manicure, which is really cool because this is a lot more tools that we got for nails than the old school that I went to. So we also got a UV LED gel lamp for doing gel manicures, gel pedicures, which is really cool because we got that whole set of gel polishes and the gel kit as well, and it's so nice that we have a lamp so we can practice our gel manicures at home. Okay, so this box has a bunch of like clear plastic acrylic nails, which is good for practicing. I'm not really gonna open that because that really doesn't interest me. But yeah, it's a bunch of clear acrylics for like painting and practicing nails. Then we got this 7-piece synthetic body brush set. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it really quickly to show you guys. So that's what it looks like. Pretty interesting for when we do like mask on the body or anything on the body. I'm pretty sure these are what this is for. I'm not exactly sure because like I said, I just enrolled, so I don't know everything about the class, but yeah. Okay, so I kind of like stuffed everything in this little container of mine, so I'm just gonna open it and show things at random. So the first thing that we got is the Aveda Hand Relief Moisturizing Cream. I love this stuff. We tried this on the first day of school. It's so hydrating. So I'm glad that we got a big bottle of this in our kit. I'm also missing a few products in my kit that I'm going to receive when I go back to school on Monday. So yeah. The next thing that we got is some goggles, safety goggles. I don't know what we need them for, but apparently we need them. We also got an Aveda hairbrush, which is really nice. It's actually a lightweight brush. The next thing that we got are these 2 Aveda clear plastic bottles for when we mix oils and so forth. Then we got these 2 facial brushes for when we do facials, of course. And then we got an eyelash curler for makeup. And then we got a kabuki brush, which I cannot get out of this bag, but I know it's a kabuki brush. And then we also got 2 sets of these eye rollers and like facial rollers. Not exactly sure what they do for the skin, but I'm actually really excited to learn about these. So we got 2 of these. Then we also got 2 masks that are, or 2 brushes that are used for masks, so yeah. And then we got some makeup brushes, which are honestly really soft. There's a bunch of them. I'm actually missing a few, but like I said, I'm gonna get them when I go back to school on Monday. And then I got like this, I believe this is for like cuticles, I'm not exactly sure, but we got this like clipper thing. We got a pair of tweezers, slanted tweezers, pointed tweezers. We got an extractor, a pair of scissors for when we have to cut body hair, facial hair, any of that. We also got a cuticle pusher and this thing at the end. I don't know exactly what it is. And we got 2 of those actually. And then an extra eyelash thing. Okay, so the next thing that we got was this makeup mixer palette for mixing foundations or anything that we need to mix. We can pretty much mix it on this. Then we got an Aveda Scalp Master like apron thing. This is optional for us to wear. I'm not gonna wear this because that's gonna be like a cape on me. Then we got this nylon makeup cape so that when clients come in, we can drape it over them and we don't spill any product on them. Then we got this foam mirror, so obviously we can show our final results to our clients. And then, what else? I like went through this super quick. Okay, this is like another little bag that I have, and it just has like these cotton round things. They're for taking off nail polish, I'm pretty sure. I'm not exactly sure though. And then we also got 2 stylus for our iPad, which is gonna come in handy, our teacher said. So yeah. But that's pretty much what came in my Aveda Esthetician Kit. I'm so excited to learn what these products are actually for, how to use them, how to extract things. And overall, Aveda so far has been a bomb-ass school. So if you want to do esthetician, I definitely recommend you checking out that school because the atmosphere just makes you feel like you belong there. And if it's something that you really want to do, then like I recommend them because so far I'm having a blast. Me and my friend actually take the class together, which is even better. But yeah, that pretty much sums up today's video. I'm sorry if it was a little bit rushed, like I'm saying. Like I said, my battery's dying and my grandparents just stepped out, so I have no idea when they're coming back. But thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button down below, and I will speak to you guys in my next video. Bye!